In a new note, start with a title, then hit enter to go to the body of the note. The first big new feature is our slash commands menu. Type slash and you'll see a whole range of options, including formatting, inserting, linking and embedding. Some of the new and most useful features include task list. This will add a round checkbox next to each line so you can create a list of to-dos and check each item off as it's done. Toggle list will add a toggle to the side of each line. Type next to the toggle and then click on it and you'll see a new section open up. This is a hidden section of content, so you can type a title next to the toggle and then include any relevant content inside. This is great for structuring content within your note. Images and files can now be dragged and dropped into the note. Any images will be placed in the document and files will be displayed along with a name and an icon to represent the file type. Any uploads will also be added to the files page of the project, but as collaborators can't see notes, any files that are added to the notes will be hidden from collaborators on the files page. Embeds. So you can embed anything into the note. Hit the embed option in the slash command menu and enter a URL. We can embed most content and display it within the note. So you can now add videos, maps, websites and other tools you use such as Google Sheets or Miro boards. It's as powerful as an instant messaging app, so you can chat, share files and react to comments in real time. Whenever you post a comment, every person who's part of the project will receive an in-app notification, and if they're offline, they'll get an email too. They can simply reply to the email and their comment will be posted in the discussion timeline. This is a great way to keep a full history of all communication, even if people don't log into your Projectco account. When people are online, communication happens in real time, so you can chat and share files with everyone instantly. Reactions let you say how you feel about a comment without having to reply directly. And threads let you reply to specific comments in their own comment feed. All files will also be shown in the files page of the project as well as in the discussion, so you can keep track of all files no matter what. To embed a tool, simply add an embed. Choose the type of embed, enter a name for it and its URL. You'll then see the embed as a tool on your project. You can then use the embed without leaving your project. This is a great way to collaborate using the tools you already use within Projectco. For example, you could collaborate on a Google Doc or a spreadsheet right from within your project. This keeps all project assets in one place, so every tool is to hand for you, your team and your clients. And it means you can carry on using the tools you already use right alongside your project discussion, tasks, notes and more. When you combine the powerful tools of Projectco with the software you already use, you'll have everything you need to supercharge the way your business operates. Upload files so you and your team will always have the right information when you need it. With Projectco, you can upload files to projects, tasks, discussions and notes. Whenever you upload a file, it remains in context in the place you uploaded it, and it also goes into the files page of the project you're currently working on. You can also view all files across all projects from the main files page. Filter, sort and group files to see exactly what you want to see. When all your files are organised by project, you'll never lose anything again. And as we allow large file sizes and have big storage limits, you'll have room for everything. Files is simple to use and it will save you and your team a lot of time across your projects. So we've got a new project dashboard layout. What we've tried to do with this update is make it so that the project dashboard is a complete hub for every project. Firstly, you can brand every project with a cover image. This can be an image you upload, or you can choose from millions of images through our Unsplash integration. We've also made the project image more prominent. Then a big difference on the new project dashboard is that everything is clickable and there are no saves required. So you can simply click into the project name and edit it, or click the project status and you'll see options to change it. This is the same for all items, including custom fields. We hope that this will make updating data points on projects quick and easy. You'll also notice that every project now has a start date and a deadline. This will let you set when a project starts and when you can expect it to finish. You can currently see those dates in the project list, card and Kanban view, and we're going to release project calendar and scheduler views soon, so you'll also be able to see where projects start and finish visually. It's easy to see which groups and people are part of projects on the new dashboard. Simply click to edit and you'll be able to add and remove groups and people. Then the project description takes advantage of our new editor, which means you can write, drag in images and files, add toggle lists to structure information, and embed other items and tools within the project. The description is front and center of the new dashboard so that you can present all the most important information for everyone to see. Then your tools show at the bottom of the dashboard. You can now use keyboard commands to add each tool. Hover over the button to see the command for Mac and Windows. Then, when the menu's open, hit the relevant keys to add each tool. You can also now use the drag handles to move each tool around the dashboard, and use the Remove Tools item in the Add a Tool button to delete tools. It's important to know that people with collaborator roles will see the information in all these places, but they won't be able to edit it. Editing project settings is something that only people with a creator role can do. I hope you enjoyed the new project dashboard update, and as always, I'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions, so please let me know what you think. The Notes tool is a powerful place to keep track of important project information. This could be formatted text, a to-do list, images, files, or tables. You can also embed anything in a note, so if you need to include a map, a web page, or another tool you use such as Airtable, Canva, InVision, or Google Sheets, you can. When you're in a note, simply start typing. Use Markdown to format your text, or hit the / key to access the / commands menu. From here, you can choose what you want to include in your note from a whole range of options. In Projectco, notes are simple to use but bring a lot of power to your projects. Getting paid on projects can be a pain, so we created payments within Projectco to make getting paid faster and easier. With the payments tool, you can request a payment on a project at any time. Enter a description, specify the payee, choose a currency, an amount and a tax rate. You can then decide who should be notified about the payment request. When the payee clicks Make Payment, they'll be presented with the card payment details box so they can pay. After the payment has been made successfully, an invoice will be generated between you and the payee selected for the payment. This is great for keeping projects moving where they otherwise might have stalled. It also helps you get paid quickly, which speeds up your cash flow. And it means you can see what's been paid on projects as well as what's currently outstanding. Projectco will bring speed and clarity to your payments so you can keep your projects moving. Projectco has been designed from the start to bring multiple teams together to work on projects. Invite anyone to any project so you can all collaborate together. This could be teams within your business, clients, or other external people you partner with. Everyone you invite will be assigned a role so they all have the right level of permissions within your account. You can then set privacy on projects and tasks to determine which projects and tasks people can see. So clients and freelancers will only be able to see their projects. On the main people page, you can see everyone who's been invited to your account. When you invite clients, they'll also have the power to invite other people from their team. With many other project management tools, inviting clients is a bit of an afterthought, but with Projectco, it's our main area of focus. We want to make working with clients easy so you can collaborate and keep everything in one place. Hey, I'm Matt. I created Projectco over 10 years ago to make managing projects for my agency easier. It connects every person on our team with our clients so we can all collaborate together in one place. This means each person knows what tasks they need to do each day, our clients know when things are going to be delivered, and managers can schedule work effectively. It's been the backbone of my business, and I want to help you make it the backbone of your business too. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick demo of how it works. It all starts with a project. Invite your team. This could be people from your business, your clients, suppliers, or friends. Then add the right tools for the job. A discussion so you can all chat and move things forward. Tasks so everyone knows what needs to be done, when and by who. Files so you have everything in one place. Notes so you can keep track of the most important information. And embed the other tools you use so you can all collaborate together. Take payments along the way so money doesn't hold things up. Track time so you can see where things have been done. Set up your own workflows with project and task statuses so you know where each project and task is up to. And set up custom fields to track the data that's important to you. Then get a bird's eye view of your team's projects in multiple views so you can manage your whole business with just a few clicks. Projectco is the best way to manage any project. So, create your free account today and get in touch if you have any questions along the way. The task tool lets you keep track of everything you need to do on each project. The left side of the task is where you add its name, specify its status so you can keep track of where it's up to, privacy to define who can see it, and the project the task is part of. Below this you have a super powerful description that includes the full power of our /commands menu. You can add files and have real-time conversations. The right-hand side of the task is where all its data is kept. Add a single date, a date range, or make it a recurring task. Then allocate people, groups, and tasks followers. You can also create subtasks and add custom fields so you can track any data you want. You can view all tasks by navigating to the main tasks page. This is great for understanding what everyone's working on at any time. Or you can view tasks on an individual project by navigating to the project and then the tasks tool. No matter which way you navigate to tasks, you'll get multiple views. List is great for working through your tasks one by one. Calendar lets you see how your tasks are organised over a month. Scheduler lets you view your tasks on a timeline, grouped by resource, such as allocated person. And Kanban is great for moving tasks through your workflow. From any view, you can filter, sort, and group by anything, so you can see exactly what you want to see. The task tool is the most powerful way to organise anything. Keeping track of time helps you understand who your most efficient team members and clients are. Allocate time to groups, people, or tasks. And then record the actual time so you can see where time has been spent. Once you have allocated and actual time, you can filter, sort, and group your data to see exactly what's important to you. Compare allocated versus actual time to understand how your projects are going. Are you within the limits? Have you run over? Or are you getting close? Managing time within Projectco keeps all your work and time in one place.